Peanut. What you doing? What you doing? You want to go to the park? Huh? Peanut. Why the long face? Why the long? No. Ah. Whoa! Bug attack! Ah! It's a bug attack. Ah! You can never get your tail, no matter. Oh no! Follow my finger. You have a hole in your face. Hey, where you going? Where you going? Touch you with my finger. Touch you, Peanut. Ah! Touch you with my finger. Touch you with my finger. Touch you with my... Touch you. I touch you. I touch you with my finger. Touch. I like your chest hair. It's pretty nice. Sweet chest hair. Hey. Did you just touch my hand? Touch your face. How's your tick bite? Is it itchy? Is it itchy?